Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Magnet Middle School, home of the Vipers, here in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. This is my second visit to their campus. I got to interact again with the AM/PM program students, grades 6, 7, and 8 today. And such an honor, such a true humble blessing to keep doing what I do. And the main focus today was on leadership, turning our passion into our purpose. But we really tried to emphasize that, every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. So I love how many murals they have all around here, all around their school. I'm outside one of the hallways right now, but it says think globally, act locally, right? And so the idea is that if we're thinking about this, the greater, bigger picture, right, which means our true purpose, our overall purpose, it's to help each other, all across this world. But if we, say, hey, I'm going to try to change the world, that might be a big task. But if we start with ourselves, then maybe we can actually do that, right? That every little action has a reaction. And if the more and more positive actions that are out there, and all of a sudden we have this opportunity to bring lasting change, significant change. And so our passion, it's what we love to do, what makes us come alive in our hearts, that fire in our bellies, what we're good at, our talents, our gifts, our abilities. Even at a young age, to get the wheels turning, to think about what we want to do to make a difference, what we're doing for others. Like Dr. King has asked that question, life's most important question. What are you doing for others, right? It's not just about ourselves. It's about, seeing the worth in everyone around us and making that part of our purpose, right? People first, things second. And the things that we're doing, sometimes we don't always get paid for. We don't get a trophy for. We just do it because it's heavy on our heart, because it's the right thing to do, right? But it takes courage, again, to do the right thing, to stand up for what's right, to stand up for others, to not only see ourselves as true miracles, like we talk about in all of my assemblies, the lines on our hand, right? I drew this again. That M stands for miracle, and they remembered it today, all the students, upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to see that, yes, first in ourselves, and then go and see that in others too. And this ties into what, we want to be remembered for, thinking about your true legacy, right? Hopefully like someone's helping hands, being like the bowling ball that we talked about, someone with character, has that strong foundation. If life gets tough or rough, we're not gonna be that affected by any peer pressure, by anyone trying to tell us to do the wrong thing. We're still gonna do the right thing, even when no one's looking, right? And the people that follow us doing the right thing, well, they become like bowling balls too, and it keeps going and going and going. And so, through a series of motivational videos, some of the hip hop, of course, that I always do, talking about passion, talking about purpose, talking about leadership. The students really took this home today. There was some tears in the audience, and even afterwards, some of the students had a connection with one of the stories that I talked about in my own personal experience, some of the ones that they saw in the clips that I played. But at the end of the day, to see that they're supporting each other, knowing that, the two most important days in our life, like Mark Twain, famous author, said, is the day that you're born and the day that you find out why. And part of our why, the people that are walking these same hallways each and every day, we're at this point in time in history for a reason, and that's to help each other grow. And that's emotionally, mentally, everything, right? To know that our true education lies with interacting, the relationships we create, and again, putting our people, friends, family, goals, dreams, passions before anything else too. So thanks again for touching my heart. I'll be back again in 2024. Have a great rest of 2023. Until then, though, and as always, make sure the subscribe button is pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.